Okay, so short video today just to go through spark plug change on 2008 Harley Road King Classic, just to try and encourage people to do it for themselves. Simple job, no real need to take it to a dealer. So we'll go through the steps. I'll move the camera and we'll get started. Okay, so pretty much set up, everything ready to go. Got two NGK spark plugs. These are DCPR 7Es, as recommended by, well, conversion from the Harley Davidson number. Got the feeler gauges ready. Got some anti-seize lubricant, which I always put on the spark plugs. I've got the torque wrench set up, ready to go. Engine is cold. Changing spark plug should always be done on a cold engine, with having alloy heads. So let's take the first spark plug cap off the rear cylinder. Once that's loose, not quite loose enough yet to get in my finger, so I've got cylinder head dresser on. It makes things a little bit tighter. It's more awkward than tight, really. Problem is the end of the spark plug has come loose. It's nearly there now. I just can't get my fingers in enough because of this chrome dressing. Okay, so that's out now. Looks a little bit sooty, but to be fair, that's just because I've been doing some engine tweaking. So okay, so the first spark plug then. Out of the box, make sure the end piece is nice and tight, which it is. Right, so then the next thing, I'm using metric feeler gauges. The settings for metric are between 0.97 and 1.09 millimeter, so I'm going to go for 1.03 millimeter. Works out quite well, just two feeler gauges. So we'll check the gap. That's a little bit small out of the packet, so I need to enlarge the gap. A small screwdriver. That's nicer. Just slide in nicely, a little bit of resistance, and that's a little bit slack, so then just need to press the edge onto a firm surface. Yep, that feels pretty good. So then anti-seize lubricant. Usually needs a bit of a stir just to separate slightly when it's on the shelf. So just a light application. just ensure it's all the way around the washer. Let's have a quick visual check down the hole, make sure it's all clear. Ensure no cross threads, just lightly screwing initially with the fingers. You soon know if it's going in sweet, no resistance. So nearly as far as I can get, just fingers. Socket on there. Okay, so the settings, I'm going for 19 Newton meters. Small torque wrench. You don't need to use a torque wrench really, you can feel when the compression washer is tight, but if you've got a torque wrench then why not use a torque wrench. There we go, one more time. It's a rear cylinder secure. Replace the plug cap, make sure it's on. Feel it click in there nicely. Let's do the front cylinder. So, same process again. Get my fingers in there yet. No. Plug socket on there, just a little bit more grip. Okay, let's set the spark plug out again. So, the second one, again, make sure the end piece is nice and tight. Check the gap with the feeler gauges, exactly the same process. Yep, slightly tight again. Small screwdriver, there is a special tool for this. I've never had one, never felt the need for one. A little bit tight still. That's it. Only a little bit too slack, so same again, just push the end of the spark plug onto a solid object with a feeler gauge in until it feels resistance. Obviously you can't over close it because the feeler gauge is in there. So that's, yeah, nice, just slight sticky. Feels good. Slight resistance, that's all you're looking for there. So again, small amount of the anti-seize. On there, just helps with removal in the end. So again, onto the compression washer. Same again. As far as you can on your fingers, so you know you're not getting cross-threaded. There's no way you'd be able to screw it in cross-threaded with just finger pressure. That's nearly enough as far as I can get. Put the socket on. Few more turns there. check and make sure the setting's the same, which it is. You can actually feel the washer compressing. You know you're nearly there. There it goes, one more. That's it. Put the spark plug cover back on, click it so you know it's home, good and tight. And that's it, that's spark plugs replaced. Quick and easy job.